I didn't have a legit plan to go to college or a trade.
Before I went to Access, my life basically, I lost everything. And it hurted me to the point where it's like I felt like I didn't know what to do.
Historically, the problem we have is that there are not enough people going into jobs in manufacturing in Cuyahoga County. We have a huge manufacturing employer base and not enough people working to fill those jobs.
The biggest gap right now is awareness, for sure. We employ 15% of the population in Cuyahoga County in manufacturing, but generally you go into a school and 15% of the students do not confidently say, I understand what manufacturing is. So our odds game of 15% of those folks going into manufacturing is already behind.
We're working with a lot of different groups who are trying to get people into jobs, these workforce development organizations, schools, career technical centers.
Let's say a kid graduated from high school and they don't know if they want to go to college or what they want to do. Also, let's say a person has barriers to employment and they've been incarcerated or they had long lapse where they didn't have any jobs or they just got any other kind of barrier like transportation. You can come to our training and we're going to help address all of those issues to knock a lot of those barriers down.
I think that I want every kid to come here and know that there are good opportunities for them that they deserve and they can earn.
When I first came, I was a little intimidated. It seemed like a big building with a lot of people moving around. But once I came in and got accustomed, it was pretty easy.
The students that I work with during the regular academic year that I've brought here to Magnet, they light up when they come into the place. I've seen a transformation in terms of them wanting to pursue related careers in manufacturing or engineering.
What I've noticed is, Magnet trains these individuals specifically to be successful in a manufacturing environment, right? So it's an advantage for a lot of them because they're prepared once they come through the gate here.
It makes our recruiting and hiring process that much more seamless and is super beneficial to the candidate to land in a spot where they have the confidence.
When I started Coach U, I expected to just learn a little more about coaching, just how to help individuals with motivational interviewing, helping people find better career opportunities here in the Cleveland area. But I really received a lot more than that. Being a part of this Coach U training, especially at Magnet, has really opened my worldview in terms of manufacturing and the opportunities.
Really what we want is for employers to say, hey, we're hiring great people, and for the people who've gone through programs say, I'm in a great job now.
ECEC helped me get to the position where I was at today, which was being full-time in Lincoln Electric. It helped me gain access to my car now, and now that I'm able to get my car today, I see myself purchasing my first apartment by myself and many more bigger things as I get older.
I came in as an assembler with no experience at all. And like a little bit after a month, I had the opportunity to become a press operator. Access taught me to never give up. It taught me that it's still life after you feel like everything is gone. I always tell my kids, you might bend, but don't ever fold.
The employees that I get that just went through the Magnet programs and the programs from Towards Employment, they kind of have a higher skill set coming through the gate just because of the training that they've been able to access by taking that program.
There's still a shortfall number there. Around 3 years ago, I think it was around 10,000 open roles, and in the last 3 years, we've filled the 3,000 jobs, which is great. This is the training program that employers are endorsing, that employers are going to be interacting with. One of the big goals of the sector partnership is we want to help manufacturers stay and grow in Cuyahoga County and be successful. So we're helping those companies find people so they're going to stay here, hire more people here, grow their businesses. And when somebody finishes this program and gets placed in a job, we all win.